heck is this colour scheme? That's a bit of a weird wrap, like a zebra or something. Not too sure what it is, but I'm pretty sure it's a BMW. Alright, is anybody else thinking how stupid that is? He's with his young sister, and rather than use a zebra crossing, he's just going to try and jaywalk. Like, buh. Look at that, straight through red. You can tell when people aren't going to stop. This is Heathrow Airport. They're planning to build the extra runway that nobody needs. It's all about the money. Airplane. It's a bit close. Caution, men at work has a rarity in this place, I tell you. Well, I just have to recheck the cabling on the camera. Because I hate it when you're riding along and it's going click, click, click. When the cable that comes to the microphone in the helmet is just like tapping away on the outside of your helmet. It's really, really annoying. Yeah, look at that green light. Everybody stops because a pretty lady crosses. Nobody stops for the man in the wheelchair, though. For those of you who are wondering, it turns red for him at some point. Don't worry, he will get across.